here are going to love the latest star beauty secret that takes years off your face in just minutes.
A facelift on your lunch hour. No knives, no downtime.
It's very quick. It's virtually pain-free.
There is now a new laser in town that promises even younger looking skin, and it's the only laser of its kind in the United States right now.
The very latest in beauty technology, the Pixel Q Switch, the revolutionary laser just added to our anti-aging arsenal.
You name it, we can go there. It's very exciting.
It is fantastic because there's no downtime for real. For real.
For real.
For real.
It's a 10-minute facelift.
The procedure for patients, very quick. Only takes 10 minutes for the whole face. No sedation is required.
And when patients can get in and out within half an hour, lunchtime laser treatments are becoming all the rage.
I think it's a game changer.
I want to fight aging naturally.
It's going to help with the texture and the tone. She has kind of an iridescent color in the stretch marks, and we're going to make that really disappear.
I'm really excited about it.
Jamie recommends 3 to 5 treatments, but you can see the pretty dramatic results this patient had after just 1 treatment.
You can do it anytime. You can do it if you're tan or not. And the nice thing is nobody knows you've had anything done because there's no social downtime. You can put your makeup on right away.
You see some of the results immediately. However, you see the optimal result even up to a month afterward. It's a big treatment for a small price.
Another alternative to going under the knife? Yeah, we'll take it.
By the way, I'm getting on this. You think that I'm leaving. I'm staying here for a little while.
Of course.